Hello, Kenneth Curtis Brown here for English 306, Project 1, Video Tutorial Project. For my topic, I have chosen to do a video tutorial on using Facebook as a means for coursework or college-related material. Uh, for my particular focus, I have chosen to use Facebook, a social media platform, as a way to organize and to coordinate people for group projects, peer work, peer review, things of that nature. I've done some ancillary research to try and figure out the best way to use a social media platform like Facebook for coursework, and I found it a little difficult. There's not too much on the basis of utilizing social media to directly influence or work on coursework, but overall results from different news sources have advocated that using Facebook is an overall positive experience for students. Um, for this particular video, we're going to look at Facebook as a way to just get people together, organize people, namely in a Facebook group or a Facebook page for something like a group project. The only materials a user will need to enable this tutorial is just a basic knowledge of the internet and a basic knowledge on Facebook and how to utilize the media platform. You do need a Facebook account. It's expected that you be logged in and you know to navigate some of the basic features on Facebook. Computer, smart device is not necessary but recommended. You could use a computer anywhere from a library to a computer lab to utilize this function. Uh, so let's get started. The first thing I'd like to show is that we are already logged into a Facebook page. One of the interesting aspects to using Facebook to try and get more productive stuff done is to utilize it in terms of file sharing. Like if you need to do a peer review or a sort of document sharing, have someone look at it, all you really need to do is to find a person that you're trying to message or talk to, like on your friends list. Like I just did, I clicked this individual right here. Or you can go into the search engine and type in someone's name to try and find them if they're not actually on your friends list. Facebook, you could transfer movies, short movies, pictures, um, and even files right here, which is the key aspect of using the chat feature. All you have to do is left click the add file icon, and you can take any file under 25 megabytes and to transfer it over. So this is a useful item for something like Word documents. If you transfer it over for something like a peer review or proofread, you just send it over to the person and they will receive that document at any given time. But the primary aspect of the video is to utilize Facebook for something like a group. If you're in a group project and you need to coordinate people and get them together, like if you're doing like an online class and you have people from different areas and you can't necessarily get them together, you can create a Facebook group, which all you need to do is navigate on the left side of the Facebook column to the group's logo, left click it, and we will have various features here. You could create a Facebook group up on the right hand corner where you will left click the create group icon, and once it loads we'll have various information to fill in, like the name of your group, people to add, and then you simply just left click on the bottom corner and you will have a group created for your particular need. This has been useful for some teachers in the classroom to create like a classroom group page or a classroom page to utilize parents or get them involved in their kids' work, or to share stuff like grades and stuff privately. Here I've already created a Facebook group page titled Project 1. I have left clicked the icon and brought up the group page. There are certain aspects that really make this beneficial or useful for someone who wants to work with others. you could post messages like set up times or send out notifications. Just like using a status update on the regular Facebook page, you will post this and it will upload onto the page, and when it is uploaded, it'll be up there for individuals to see and know that you're trying to communicate with them on the discussion board. Other things you can do in terms of utilizing Facebook for coursework is you can actually add certain files to a group page. Um, if I left click the icon down on the left hand column, you will be able to find a method in which you can create something like a checklist or a extra file, and that other individuals can share and to work on and edit themselves, and that'll help you transfer data throughout the group page. Looks like I'm having a bit of problems uploading here, but there we go. Looks like I've got it uploaded. I've already created a to-do list document, and that gives you one example. And you could edit the document if you desire, and that allows people to create or to edit the document in terms of the project. That's just a couple ways to utilize Facebook for coursework. There are other methods like using the network tool or the create page right here, or even the set up events calendar if you are already friends with people on Facebook and you just want to coordinate like a meeting at like a college center or something like that. Um, it takes a little thinking outside the box to utilize social media as a way to get coursework done. But if you're able to avoid surfing the internet and avoiding checking out other people's statuses to narrow down what you need to do for school, um, it's pretty useful. Well, this has been Kenneth Brown for the video tutorial project. Thank you and have a great night.